Introducing the Booty Call Booty Rocket. It's a completely self-contained, soft and smooth premium silicone probe. It features a tapered shaft for personalized pleasure and 10 powerful functions of vibration, pulsation, and escalation. The Booty Rocket has a smooth and soft satin finish, a 4 3/4 inch long and 1 1/4 inch wide tapered head, a broad base for safe use, and a handle made of velvet coat plastic with a silver-plated decor ring. This discreetly sized anal probe stores conveniently in your pocket or purse. It's easy to use. Just press the push-button control on the bottom of the base to turn on your Booty Call Booty Rocket and to cycle through the 10 sensational functions. To turn off your probe, simply press the button for 3 seconds. This probe uses one AA battery and is also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your amazing Booty Rocket with California Exotic Novelties Universal brand toy cleaner. Experience the Booty Call Booty Rocket for play at its very best.